In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link an EBT card to Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to link any EBT card that you have to Amazon and use it to make purchases on EBT eligible products directly through their website or mobile app. So what you have to do is sign into the account where you are going to be linking the card and hover over your name to access your profile. Now, click Account and you will be redirected to this page. On your account page, you have to look for your payments. If you are doing this process on the mobile app, it is going to be a category that you can find by scrolling down, and on the website it is going to be available here. So click or select your payments and you will be redirected to all the cards and accounts that you have attributed to Amazon. In here, tap or click Add a Payment Method, and under the list of options, you should be able to find an EBT card. So in here, you can input the name on the card and the card number to add your EBT card to Amazon account. So all that you have to do is include all the details over here. So fill out all the necessary information, and as long as you are able to input valid and legitimate credentials about an EBT card, it is going to be linked as a payment method on Amazon. So click Add Your Card after you input the information, and it is going to appear under your payment methods. Now, what you can do is browse through eligible EBT card products on Amazon. The simplest way to do this is to search for EBT on the search bar, and immediately all the items that appear should be EBT eligible. So as you can see, there is going to be this text on the description, SNAP EBT eligible. As long as you see this option, you will be able to use the EBT card that you linked on Amazon as a payment method. So just go ahead, select any of the items that you find, and either add to your cart or click Buy Now. When you proceed to checkout with any of these EBT eligible items, you will be able to select the EBT card that you just linked as a payment method. Unfortunately, I do not have an EBT card on hand to demonstrate this process, but as long as you link the EBT card either during checkout or by going into your account, you will be able to pay using the EBT card that you linked on Amazon. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, make sure that you have enough balance on the card, double check all the credentials about the card, and as long as you select any EBT eligible items, you will be able to pay with the card that you just linked on Amazon. I hope I was able to help you on how to link an EBT card on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.